Today, we're visiting the National Bowling Stadium in Reno, Nevada. The building is famous for its massive 80-foot aluminum geodesic dome on its facade. It's designed to look like a giant bowling ball, and you cannot miss it driving around downtown Reno. The National Bowling Stadium in Reno, Nevada is the world's only dedicated, purpose-built tournament bowling facility, often called the Taj Mahal of Tenpins. Scores and graphics are displayed on a 440-foot video screen, once the world's longest, and there's even stadium seating for spectators. Opened in 1995, this 5-story venue features 78 championship lanes. The bowling stadium is massive. It's so much fun to be here. I love the sounds, I love the smells of the bowling alley. It reminds me so much of being a kid and going bowling with my family. Not that I was ever good at it or could compete with any of these people, but it's still a wonderful memory. Some of what I love best about bowling is the colorful uniforms, the camaraderie amongst teammates, and the bowling etiquette. You know you're not supposed to bowl if the person next to you is bowling, right? In honor of St. Patrick's Day, I had to capture the green uniforms and their fan section. I included this part in the video because I thought it was fascinating watching the robot cleaning the bowling lanes. And also, you had this interaction between the robot and the human, proving that at least at the National Bowling Stadium, both are required to maintain a great atmosphere. In terms of the Bowling Hall of Fame, there wasn't one location to find everything due to construction, but I did find these machines where you could explore major names in bowling history, and also this really cool video of Joy Abel bowling a frame and then celebrating with the audience behind her. Abel entered the forefront of women's bowling in the early 1960s and won 5 major titles. Unfortunately, the Bowling Museum was also under construction, but throughout the National Bowling Stadium, you could find glass cases that had original bowling balls and fun facts about these amazing artifacts. The age of the items really drove home how long humans have been enjoying this sport. I don't know if you remember the movie Kingpin. It's not the most appropriate movie, but it's starring Bill Murray and Woody Harrelson, and it's hilarious, and it was filmed here. As you descend the escalator to the first floor, you'll notice the Kingpin Lounge. An employee told me this might be the one nod to the movie. Unfortunately, the bowling stadium doesn't rent lanes to lay people bowlers anymore. They only support tournaments. However, it was still great to go visit. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and join my channel so you don't miss out on future adventures. Remember, extraordinary is closer than you think.